What is up, guys? My name is Zofra, and you're about to watch White Noise on the Xbox 360. It's a pretty scary game, I gotta admit. We got some really good reactions from me and my friend, so I suggest you guys stick around towards the end. It'd be worth your while. Alright, guys, peace and enjoy.
I'm Velma and he's Shaggy. Let's go. No, wait, what is that guy? The blonde-haired guy? That's like...
Yeah, it's Shaggy. Oh, wait, no, it's
that's
not.
Shaggy. That's
I don't
like,
know.
Fuck, what's his name?
Well, you watching
Fred.
The Dictator on
Freddy,
Netflix?
right?
Oh, yeah, Fred.
Freddy.
Yo, where are you, dude?
Right here.
Don't scare me.
Where's my glasses? Right,
Oh, dude, look at those big old heads. Come over here.
What the fuck? It looks like Chelsea.
Okay, here, tape recorder.
Hey, there's someone whispering.
There's a tape recorder.
Where? Yeah, I hear it too.
Alright,
There's spider webs all
unplugged
over.
my mic and I heard what you said about
Spider webs. Oh, dude, where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it is.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, God, watch out, dude.
I believe this is where all begins, dude.
I'm afraid, like, with the monster. No,
Oh my god, I thought I saw him.
Why does it seem like there's snow everywhere?
I know, it's like with every game.
Alright, dude, alright. Which way? Left or right?
Let's go right.
Alright.
Don't run. Don't leave me behind.
Ditched you. I'm ditching you. Oh god. Alright, we've been in this room before, I think.
Can I sing my Logic song?
No. I hear him.
Where'd you go,
I hear
Bahamas?
something, dude. I heard growling. Should we go straight?
Oh yeah, let's go
I hear him,
straight.
I swear to God. Fucking hear him, dude. I
Dude,
swear.
I'm fucking scared, man. Fucking
I
chills.
swear to God, I fucking hear him. Oh, what the hell? Alright, which way?
Let's go
Right
middle.
or straight?
Let's go straight, let's go straight. What the fuck was that?
Something was purring or something.
Dude, did your screen flash?
No.
My screen fucking flashed, dude.
Where are you, dude?
I'm right here, behind
Are
you.
you next to me? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yo, dude, I got the
There's a
chills.
tape recorder in here. Oh, it's on that mommy over here.
Oh, it's right there! Oh shit! Run, Bob, run! Run!
I almost cried. I swear to God, my face probably looks like a little bitch. I swear to God. Oh my God,
Dude.
I probably look like a little bitch. I swear to God.
Dude, that was scary as shit. Oh my god.
probably look
I
like a little
legit
bitch, I
got those
swear.
chills. Oh my god, dude.
I probably look like a little bitch. I swear, dude. I swear to God. My
Let's get
face
that-
was priceless. I swear.
Oh look, I just get the crap on me catching that thing. Tape recorder.
Bro, we look like I was about to cry. I swear to God. God, I'm getting so scared now. So much scary with everything dark and shit. It's like nighttime. Alright, this is a huge ass room.
No,
I don't know where to
playing.
go. Where do we go, dude? Where do we go?
I'm
Left, right,
scared,
straight.
dude.
Wait, what is that? Like a hallway that goes like... What is that? Who's whispering? What the hell?
He's there? Is he there? Is he there? Is he there? Dude! Your mic, use your mic. Was he there? Oh!
He was at the end of the hallway. Oh my God. Oh my God. Where are you, dude?
I'm right behind you.
Are you next to me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Trust me, I don't want to leave your side. I really want to fucking leave your side.
I
I'm
hear him
fucking
growling.
scared.
I hear him.
I hear him too. I hear him too. I hear him too. Oh,
Get the fuck out of here.
dude.
Alright, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Alright, go that way. Just go straight. Go straight. Go straight. Go straight. Stop running like that. Oh my god! Run the other way! He's right there. He's right there. He's right there. Holy shit.
Oh my god, what the fuck is that?
What was that? What was that?
There.
Drew.
Still there.
I'm fucking
Still my
scared.
What the fuck is this? I hear him, dude.
There's so many entrances to this area we're in, dude. Oh my god. I hear him. I hear him.
My screen just flashed. I'm getting the chills. What the fuck, dude?
Dude, I am. Me too. Me too.
Hey, dude, where?
Wanna go to this
Yo.
room? Let's go to this room.
What the hell? Someone's growling.
Oh my god. Dude, I fucking heard it growl.
Alright, dude, there's so many entrances.
Oh, I saw him. I saw him for like half a second, dude.
Alright, go this way.
I want to check back, but I feel like he's gonna be there.
Yeah, I guarantee it will be.
He's not. He's not.
Fuck.
What?
Growl.
Dude, I hear growling.
Why aren't we finding tape recorders?
This thing is
What's
huge.
there? Is that like nothing?
Yeah, it's just like a dead end. Pretty dumb.
Right, dude, we need to find tape recorders. Oh my god, my girl's having like a panic attack. She's like,
Oh my god, dude, those heads scared
What
the
the-
shit out of me, dude.
oh, there's a tape recorder. Why can't I grab?
It's scared me.
I'm gonna turn my volume just for my great experience.
Nah, I can't toggle mine for some reason. Like, every time I do it, I won't record my gameplay. Game audio.
Should we go straight?
Oh my god, I heard it growl. I feel like it's gonna pop up right in front of us. Dude, don't run!
Like,
Look at that, just a casket!
what? I feel like he's behind us. This room is so huge. I hate. Oh my god.
Dude, that is so fucking scary.
I can't believe. Hey, dude, where do we go?
You wanna go that way? There's like literally nothing here, dude. It's just a big old open area. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Run!
Is he still behind us? Is he still behind
Yeah,
us?
he's still behind.
Someone just cough? What the hell? What the hell is this, dude?
What the crap? I hear tape recording.
Oh, there's a tape recorder right here. One more. One more. God, I'm gonna have nightmares. Be a little bitch.
It's almost midnight too. Perfect time to do this. Oh my god.
Alright, we can go straight. Like 2 ways up. Oh god.
Oh my god, he's behind us! Dude! Dude! Run!
Is he?
Dude,
I see him, I see him, I see him.
Oh my god, it's right there, dude. Run.
He's still behind us?
Yes. Run. Oh, dude.
My girl's being a bitch. She's coughing.
I know, mine too. Is he still there? No, he's not.
Look at.
He's not there.
The footprints go up the wall.
What the crap?
Some exorcist type shit. Alright, I'm gonna go straight.
Yeah, keep going straight over there. Oh, I hear him growling. I hear him.
There you go, here.
Oh my god, dude. What the hell is this?
Is this a dead end? Oh, what the fuck is that? Alright, dude. What the fuck is... What kind of museum is this?
Oh, he's right there, Bob! To your right, to your left, it's right there! Behind you, Bob! Behind you, Bob! No, I'm dead! Dude, I'm dead! Tape recorder's it! Tape recorder's it!
Get it.
He was behind the statue, Bob. He was behind the statue. God damn. Where'd you go? Don't fucking leave me!
I'm right behind you. Or in front of you.
I thought I was gonna die, dude. Wait, do you lose like your health if you stare at him longer? Or is it getting closer?
I think so.
Because I was staring at him. And then my health static was going down, but it was literally across the room. And so
Go down here, I guess.
yeah, let's go. Three more.
Yeah, bitch.
Like a little sassy bitch. I hate your character.
Wait, left or right? Go right.
I don't even see him, but fuck it. I'm not going over there. Run.
Fucking little bitch, run. Stop coughing.
Oh my god, he's behind us! Run! Run! Fucking little bitch, stop coughing! Oh my god, that was fucking scary.
What the fuck is that ugly piece of shit?
Alright, which way you wanna go?
Pretty good, dude.
You wanna go to the... wait, what's over here? I hear him growl.
My phone just fucking went off and it scared me.
Where'd you go? I'm not seeing you. Oh my god, he's right there! Run! God damn, every time this shit appears on the freaking screen, I fucking jump.
I think we're just going in circles or something. I don't know, dude.
No, let's go more towards over here, because I feel like we're going in circles. Yeah, let's go through this door. Oh my god, he's right there, Bob! He's right there! He's behind me! Oh my... Run! Go, dude! Let's run through this fucking door! Run faster, you fucking little cunt! Run fucking faster!
Dude, my girl won't shut up. It's not even a bitch.
Oh my god, he's right there, dude! Run, he's right there! You're pretty good! Where are you?
I'm ditched, dude. I had to go. Where'd you go?
No, he's right behind me, dude! That's so not fair! He's
Dude,
fucking...
he's in front of me. My girl just screamed, dude. I'm gonna die. It's over, dude. It's over. Get back to this room. Come on, I'm gonna die.
Alright,
Come on, I'm by myself, dude. I'm scared shit.
Did you go back in the previous room? You went back in the previous room? Dude, I'm all alone, dude. I don't want to be alone. Where the fuck are you?
I'm in this room right here. Where you went down? Oh, there you are.
Oh, there you are.
Reunite.
Yo, he was fucking following me, dude. I thought I
I
was a
stood
goner.
literally right in that door railing. Right there, and I ran. Oh my god.
Dude, I fucking
My girl like
shit my
got so
pants.
scared, like my character got so scared it screamed.
Alright, we were here already. We got the tape.
Yeah.
Like one of the first tapes. So we're definitely going on in circles. I hear him growling again, dude. I'm fucking scared and free.
Fuck you motherfucker. Alright, some girls whispering.
That's a
scared the shit out of me.
that's a dead end. What's over here? I'm not. I think we went over here.
Everything looks the same.
I know, man. I hate that. I hear him growling. I feel like he's right behind me. I feel like he's like right behind me. I feel like, yeah, I feel like he's breathing on my fucking neck. I turn around and my screen starts to flash.
I would shit myself. There's a green thing right there.
Oh
Ow,
my god.
ow.
Dude, get away from me. Get away from me. Oh, he's right behind us! He's right behind us! Dude! Where'd you go? Where the fuck did...
I'm just gonna go forward. I'm just gonna go forward. I can't do it.
No, but he's right behind me. Dude, he's right fucking behind me.
I'm gonna die.
I see him, Bob. He's right behind me, Bob.
I'm right here.
He's right behind me, Bob.
I don't see him anymore. I don't see him, but there's a green thing right there. He's in front of us.
Oh my god, he's right there again. Run. It's in his fucking room. Run. Run, check. Oh, he's still there. Run. He's still there. Run. He left. He's gone. He's gone. Wait. I'm to your left. Oh my god, dude, that was scary. I don't even want to look. Where is he? Oh my god! He's right there! I'm dying, dude. I'm dying. Run into this room. Dude, he was...
Bitch, run.
Yeah. That was fucking close. Oh my god, I don't even want to see him. I don't even want to turn. I don't want to turn. I don't want to fuck. I'm gonna turn. I'm gonna do it. Oh, he's out there.
When you watch this shit, dude, you're gonna come in here.
We have 5 out of 8.
Oh, I hear one.
Oh,
I hear one.
we're about to... Oh, good. We found one. 2 more, Bob. 2 more. I ain't shooting.
Come on, dude.
We can't get separated. That's the only thing. We cannot get separated. If we get separated, we're doomed. I'm scared right now.
Shit out of me when
I am
right behind
fucking
me.
scared. I am honestly fucking scared.
Oh my god, what is this? I think we've been that way before. Yeah, let's go run. He's behind us!
Run! He's gonna grab me! Don't say that!
I don't know where to go.
Bah! You trying to fucking ditch me, you little cunt?
He's hiding behind that pole behind us!
Oh my god, he's right fucking there! Run, you little bitch! Oh god!
I'm gonna get caught around the corner, I swear. Go left.
Is he there? Go left.
We just went in a circle, but I'm gonna go right this time.
He's right there! Bah, he's down the hall! Fucking run! We're on this way. This fucking way. Dude, run this fucking...
Is that your sister?
Yeah, don't bother me. I'm trying to fucking play. The green thing's in that room, Bah. The green thing.
What the hell is that? Alright, I'm gonna just not look at it. Just ignore it, dude. It's looking at me, dude. Stop. What are you doing? Alright, does that thing turn,
Is that a tape? I hear? Oh, dude, I'm getting...
Just your static.
Yeah, I'm getting static.
I'm trying to look at it, I don't know what the...
Oh, he's right behind this bar! Run, little bitch, run! Oh, fucking... Run, just run straight. I don't want to get separated. Run straight. Dude, he's still there? Yes, he's right fucking there! Oh my fucking god!
Dude, there's 2, rooms that we've never visited, but I'm pretty sure we've...
Dude, he's still there! My god, stop looking at us!
Oh my god, he's creeping behind the corner.
Oh my god, he got closer! I'm dying, dude. Just go straight.
Oh my god, he's still behind us.
Go fucking straight. Just go straight. Okay, he's not there.
Alright, good.
Oh, he's right there! He's right fucking there! Right fucking there! He appeared right behind you. Let's go straight. Bob, run!
Wait, where are you? Oh my god,
I just went straight.
Don't ditch me.
I'm here. Oh, he's there. Bah, he's right there. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god.
I'm stuck on the corner.
Just go straight. Go fucking straight. Please. Go fucking straight. Bah, go fucking.
You little bitch. He's in front of us. Just go this way.
He was behind me. I don't want to fucking... We were here. Yo, we were in that room. Just keep going, Bob. Fucking god.
Go this way. I think he tries to lead you in different directions. Wait,
oh,
where is that room?
That's the green.
He's behind us!
Oh my god, he's right fucking there! Oh, shit,
dead.
Dude, I'm dead too. Keep going straight. Just keep going straight. Please don't fucking ditch me. Please don't. Stop coughing, little cunt. Stop coughing.
I think it tries to like lead you into the direction, like.
Oh
like,
my
by
god, stop, you
scaring
little bitch! What are you trying to scare me for? Okay, it's still there. Oh my god, he's right fucking there! Run! Run!
I am literally dying of laughter from you guys.
Oh my god, dude,
My
where'd we
God,
go?
You guys are yelling. This
Oh my god. I can't scream either because my parents do the. Holy shit! But it sounds so funny in the recording. Oh my god.
I could hear her. I could like run behind.
Dude, like I don't know where to go. Every time we go somewhere, he just scares us in the other
Yo,
direction.
I wanna look back.
Like honestly, I don't know where to go. Dude, I just want to win this. Come on.
I know. Do we need 2 tape recorders, man? That's all we fucking
God. There's 2 places that we haven't been to, because every time you find a tape recorder, it's in like some like special place. Alright, dude.
Okay, we can take. There's
Sorry.
3 options we can take. Oh,
That
what
way.
the hell is that?
That way. Or that. Behind you! Right fucking behind you! Right fucking behind you!
I don't wanna look.
Literally 5 feet behind us! Holy shit!
Oh my fucking god, dude! Fucking go right, go right, go right. Go right, go straight, go straight. What's this?
Why do you leave?
I'm fucking
Alright,
hella
we can go.
scared. Oh my god, I just said
Alright.
hella.
Alright, dude. Let's go straight. I feel like we haven't been here. Alright, it's gonna leave us in 3 directions or some other shit.
Oh, he's right there behind. Oh, he's right there. He's right behind me. He's right behind me. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Wait, do we go this way?
Fuck.
Go
left, go left.
Behind me. I almost just died.
Oh, he's right there, Bob. He just turned the corner. He just killed me. I don't know where you are, Bob.
Wait, where'd you go? Where'd you go, dude? I'm gonna die. Don't move,
Just
don't move.
keep going straight. He's right there. He's right there. He's to your right. He was to your right. He was to your right and disappeared. He was to your right and fucking disappeared.
Alright, dude.
To your left. My bad. My bad.
We've
we
been
been
in this
here?
room before. I think
Sure?
so. That's where we got a tape recorder off these things. I hear him. He's like right around this left corner, I swear. Yep, what I tell you? What I fucking tell you?
I don't want to look. I don't want to fucking look. Oh, he's right there. Oh, fucking vagina. This asshole. Where you at?
Alright.
Oh my, but he's right there. He's like right there shaking his head. I'm scared. I'm fucking scared.
He's right behind you. He's right behind us.
You wanna go straight to his room?
God, you fucking ugly piece of shit.
Oh, he's not there. He's not there.
Dude, he's right in front of you. He's right in front of you. He's right in front of you. Shit.
He's right behind me?
Alright, dude, he's right there.
I don't see him. I don't see him.
Follow my lead.
This shit is scary, dude.
Alright, dude, why can't we find this shit? I can only imagine what our travel looks like.
Oh my fucking god, dude!
It's like telling us not to go there, I swear, like...
Wow, where'd you go? I lost you.
I'm going this way, left.
Oh, I see, I see. Look, yeah, little flashlight.
Right. Where the
I feel like
fuck
those
was
rooms
it?
that he's like popping up in, I feel like we have to go in there.
Oh no, dude. Oh my god, I can only imagine what our replay looks like. Fucking circles after circles.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Wouldn't that fucking last forever, I swear. is our only way. No.
Oh my
God.
I hear him.
I'm gonna start remembering these places because I don't know where to go.
Yeah, let's go straight.
I hear him. He's right fucking behind us. I'm coughing, you bitch.
Where you wanna go?
I want to get all this shit so we can get our fucking characters unlocked. Wait, what's in here?
I hear him growling. I'm hearing him growling like up my ass, dude.
Alright, what's in here? Doesn't look like anything.
Been here so many times. Oh my god, dude, I died! Oh my fucking god, yeah, it got me. That was so fucking scary. That was so fucking scary. It didn't give me a warning
Dude, I
or
see a dead
anything. It just
body.
fucking got me up here. I'm like, fuck.